Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by opening settings and tapping sounds and haptics so you can target notification audio directly. Once there, check the volume slider and the ring/silent switch to make sure sounds will play. Otherwise, you'll change tones but hear nothing. Then choose whether you'll edit the main ringtone, text tone, or an app's alerts. This first step sets the destination for the changes, and it prevents wasted effort altering tones that won't play due to muted hardware or do not disturb settings. Now tap the alert type you want to change, and you'll see a list of built-in tones. Tap anyone to preview instantly so you can compare. If you prefer subtle cues, choose a vibration pattern or select none to silence that alert. This is why you verify vibration settings earlier. To use custom sounds, import tones via GarageBand, the Tones section in iTunes/Finder, or add audio files that meet iPhone tone format requirements. Then select them from this same list. Finish by tailoring app-level alerts. Go to Settings, Notifications, pick the app, and choose sounds so each app uses the tone you want. Make sure the app has permission to send notifications and that banners/lock screen alerts are enabled. Otherwise, sound choices won't matter. If a newly selected sound fails to play, restart the iPhone and check for iOS updates, and only then consider resetting settings. This sequence fixes most issues without losing personal data or purchased tones.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.